I'm City Manager Wally Bopkowitz, and welcome to this edition of Evanston Spotlight, where we talk about upcoming items on the next Evanston City Council agenda, which is coming up on Monday, February the 18th. And I'm joined today by Laura Biggs, our city engineer. Hello, Laura.
Hello.
One of the big items coming up on this agenda is our Streetlight Master Plan, a project we've been working on for quite a while. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, we started about 2 years ago, and we spent a lot of time going through looking at our existing system, doing surveys, trying to get the community input, and our goal is to standardize all of our street lights so that we're using the same type of lighting in every part of the city for the appropriate application, and also set good lighting levels.
So are there standards for how streets should be lit? I mean, it seems in Evanston, some streets, our main thoroughfares have a lot of light on them. Some of our residential streets have a little bit less. Are there standards that we look to?
Yes, there's a national standard, the IESNA standards, IESNA we call them, that we looked at, and our new lighting standards will conform to those. But actually, the City of Evanston developed standards as well in 1979. It's just that lighting technology has changed quite a lot since then.
So are we making any big recommendations through this study to make changes?
Well, one of our biggest recommendations is to look at some of the stuff we put in recently in our large streetscape projects. Those are large davit arm lights, and make sure that we're using the same type of equipment on every project. That creates a lot less headache for our staff in maintaining it, but also gives the city a more unified look.
So when I came to Evanston, I noticed that a lot of the street lights all kind of look the same. They kind of have a 4 or 5 point lid to them. What are those lights? Do they have a name?
Those are the Talmadge lights, developed over 100 years ago, and truly something that's integral in character making for the city of Evanston. Those lights generally were replaced in the early 80s. It's a proprietary design. Unfortunately, the city of Evanston did not own the mold for that, and the company that we purchased from Union Metal went out of business a couple of years ago. So part of our goal on Monday is also to approve going out to get a new vendor to supply those same design Talmadge lights. What we are going to change is the current light is a number of different pieces that fit together. It allows salt and water to get in and corrode the lights. We want to go with a technical improvement that allows them to be a solid manufactured piece, and we also want to convert those over time to LED. So while we don't plan a huge change in the lights, as the lights need repairs or replacement, we want to put in something better than what we have, but that still maintains the character of Evanston.
And about how many of those Talmadge lights do we have around Evanston?
About 6,000.
Wow, that's a lot of lights.
It's a lot of lights.
So on Monday evening, February the 18th, we'll be talking about the Streetlight Master Plan and other items. If you're interested in reading more, go to our website, www.cityofevanston.org. I'm Wally Bopkowitz.